Please speak your name. There are 2 participants on the call, including you. You are joining your conference as a participant. For a menu of available commands, press *#.
Institute of Food Safety and at the National Institute of Food and Agriculture. I'm presenting a description of the Mitigating Antimicrobial Resistance Across the Food Chain 2019 program area. This program is led by Drs. Mervyn Morant and Max Teplitsky. They are national program leaders in food safety. Mitigating antimicrobial resistance across the food chain is inviting integrated projects only and applications of standard, conference, and phase grants only. Applications are due July 25th by 5 p.m. There's no letter of intent required except for conference grant applications. If you're interested in applying for a conference grant, please see the information provided in the request for application. Mitigating antimicrobial resistance across the food chain invites projects of up to $1 million budget over a 5-year period. The program code for mitigating antimicrobial resistance across the food chain is A1366. A1366 is only accepting integrated projects. And please refer to Part 3A that can be found on page 78 of the request for application for the eligibility requirements of this program. If you are interested in applying for a conference grant, a letter of intent is required, and this letter of intent must be submitted a minimum of 135 days before the anticipated start of the conference. A full conference grant application is prepared after receiving a positive response from your letter of intent. Full conference grant applications must be submitted no less than 90 days before the anticipated conference start. The sub-priorities of mitigating antimicrobial resistance across the food chain include the role of commensals or indicator organisms in the emergence, spread, or selection of antimicrobial resistance in agroecosystems. Diagnostic tools, technologies to detect, identify, characterize AMR pathogens or ARGs drug residues in animals, carcasses, food, or food products. Or improved management approaches that can minimize the use of antibiotics or animal diseases that require the use of antibiotics or anthelmintics. If you have any questions about the Mitigating Antimicrobial Resistance Across the Food Chain program, please contact Dr. Mervyn Morant or Dr. Max Teplitsky. Their contact information can be found on the slide here, as well as in the request for application.